IMD predicts heavy rainfall over UP, MP, and Uttarakhand. The India Meteorological Department IMD has forecast very heavy rainfall conditions tomorrow in places over East and West Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Parts of northeast India, Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, coastal Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Kerala and May sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim are also likely to receive moderate to heavy rainfall tomorrow. The weather department also predicted thunderstorms and lightning tomorrow over north interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. Similar weather conditions are also expected over Andhra Pradesh via coastal Karnataka, East Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, South Interior Karnataka, Telangana and West Bengal and Sikkim.